Hello guys, welcome to Medico Mania. Today we will discuss the topic hypothyroidism. So let's start with the introduction. Hypothyroidism. It is a condition in which a thyroid gland does not produce thyroid hormone. So what is the cause of hypothyroidism? Uh, there are various causes of hypothyroidism. So the first cause is autoimmune cause. In autoimmune, there is a Hashimoto thyroiditis, and the second one is spontaneous atrophic hypothyroidism, and the third one is Graves' disease. And the second one is iatrogenic cause. In iatrogenic, there is a radioactive iodine ablation, surgical thyroidectomy, and some drug-induced hypothyroidism, that is carbamazole and propylthiouracil, and etc. In transient hypothyroidism, there is subacute cause of thyroiditis and postpartum thyroiditis. Now, it is also due to the deficiency of iodine. There is also congenital cause, dysharmonogenesis or a thyroid aplasia. Now, there is also thyroid is due to the secondary hypothyroidism due to pituitary disease or hypothalamic disease. It is due to the TSH deficiency. Let's move to the clinical features. In clinical features, there's weight gain, cold intolerance, fatigue, dry hair, dry skin, menorrhagia, constipation, hoarseness of voice, carpal tunnel syndrome, alopecia, muscle stiffness, anemia, periorbital edema, bradycardia, dermal myxedema, psychosis, ataxia. So weight gain, anemia, periorbital edema, myxedema, these are the most prominent features of hypothyroidism. And there's a dry hair, a dry skin. These are the common symptoms related to hypothyroidism. Now let's move to the diagnosis part. So there is very specific diagnosis to rule out hypothyroidism. The first one is serum T4 level. So if we see there is a decrease in the serum T4 level in hypothyroidism, serum TSH hormone, that is elevated, thyroid stimulating hormone will be elevated in hypothyroidism. And we will also do ECG findings if the patient having the ischemic heart disease. So what is the findings is sinus bradycardia, ST segment and T wave abnormalities. Now the final is measurement of the thyroid peroxidase antibodies. So these are the important clinical diagnosis to rule out hypothyroidism. Now let's move to the management part. So what is the treatment of hypothyroidism? So the first line of treatment is levothyroxine, that is T4. That will be, the dose will be 50 microgram per day for 3 weeks. Now another 100 microgram per day levothyroxine for another 3 weeks. It will also have a vitamin C supplement for the optimization. And in case of ischemic heart disease, we will start levothyroxine with a very small dose, that is 25 microgram per day, and gradually we will increase the dose. Now we can also give levothyroxine in pregnancy. And there is a cognitive impairment due to hypothyroidism in pregnancy. If hypothyroidism is not being treated in pregnancy, there is chance of cognitive impairment in the fetus. So the sixth one is myxedema, coma. It is also a life-threatening condition. So the treatment will be starting from liothyronine, that is T3, that is 20 microgram per day, and another is levothyroxine, that is 50 microgram per day. There are some other parameters of the treatment. We also give broad spectrum antibiotics, high oxygen flow, and also hydrocortisone, that is 100 mg IM intramuscular. So that's it from the today's video. Thank you for watching my videos.